Nestled in the heart of London, White City Residence is a gorgeous student accommodation, offering a range of studios that provide both privacy and freedom. Each room features a comfortable bed, a study desk equipped with shelves for you to keep your study material, and a spacious wardrobe. The private bathrooms are well appointed, and the kitchens come with all the necessary appliances for preparing delightful meals. The property boasts additional facilities like a gym for a rigorous workout and a games room where you can unwind with friends after a day of classes. It is situated at a short distance from the London College of Fashion UAL and Arts Educational Schools London. It enjoys a central location with popular restaurants like Fez Mangle, Ladbroke Grove, and The Shed within walking distance. Grab your favorite coffee from Neve and May, Ladbroke Grove branch, or Cafe Nero on your way to classes. For weekend activities, you can visit Battersea Park via bus stops closest to you, or enjoy a casual drink with friends at the Duke of Wellington. Indulge in the vibrant life of London by booking your stay at White City Residence through amberstudent.com.